Hi, I'm Samantha, and I've been using this mason jar vacuum sealer for a couple of months now as my kitchen hack for keeping produce fresher longer. And so I thought I would answer a couple questions for you about the sealer so that you don't have to go and find them. One question was, does it create an airtight seal reliably? Personally, for me, it has sealed every time. I have not had an issue with it not sealing, but if for some reason you do, I would check the seal on the ring to ensure that it's clean and free of debris, as well as ensuring that the vacuum sealer is properly charged. Another question was, is it suitable for sealing liquids or just dry goods? When filling soft or liquid food, do not overfill the bottle. The less air in the bottle, the longer the seal will work and the sealing effect will be short. Please check whether the mouth of the mason jar is dry and clean, and if there is water or debris at the mouth of the bottle, and then the mason jar sealer will not be able to seal. Another question was, how long does the battery last on a single charge? So one thing I really like about this is the digital display. So when you turn it on and you turn it back off again, it's gonna give you that number, letting you know what percent the battery is at before needing to charge. So I've owned this for a couple months now, and in my experience of using it, maybe every other day, I would say I only need to charge it once every 2 to 3 weeks, and the charging time is quick, in my opinion. Another good question was, how long can you keep the food sealed? Now, this is a great question, and I don't want to be presumptuous as I don't work for the food industry. However, it really depends on what you're sealing. Personally, I would feel comfortable sealing dry goods like dry pasta, flour, and sugar with it and use that until it was gone. Now, on the other hand, what I love to use it for is fresh produce, like cut and wash strawberries is my number one. I have noticed that my strawberries last significantly longer when sealed, but I am still introducing them to a moist environment by washing them before sealing, and I would keep an eye on them and toss them when necessary. Those were some of the questions I found and wanted to answer for you. Hope that helps.